Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you all today?
We are doing good, ma'am.
Great. I would request you to please put your videos on. Yes. So if you are all set, can you raise a thumbs? So I know we are good to go. Lovely. So we can go ahead with all of y'all's permission. Can we go ahead and we'll just read the rules for the day today?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So we are, first of all, a very hearty congratulations to the teams. You have crossed the semi-finals round. We are now at the final round today, which is the 12th of February. So congratulations, first of all, to all of you. You really did really well. All the very best for today. And I will quickly read the rules. And once you read the rules, if you have any queries, we can take them up. My voice is audible enough? Loud
Yes,
and
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. So I will read the rules of the final round, which is today, the day 3. This is a rapid fire round. I think the same is displayed on your screen as well. This is a rapid fire round. Once a question is announced by the host, you will need to raise hand by the Zoom raise hand option. The first team to raise the hand will answer the question. Now you need to make sure that you please wait for the host to complete the question. In between, if any team is raising their hand, then that team will have to answer the question, answer it immediately, whether the question is completed or not. All right. Now this round will consist of 50 questions to each team, and for each question, 15 seconds will be given. In case the team is not able to answer, the same question will not be passed on to the another team. There will be no options provided, no negative marks will be given. And as usual, the results of today's round as well will be declared and announced in the main Zoom link. So do you have any queries with regards to the rules?
The timer will start immediately after the question, or
Yes.
okay.
And ma'am, 50 questions to each team, right? So, like.
I'm sorry. Yeah, it's my mistake. I'm sorry. It was my mistake. It is 50 questions to both the teams together.
Okay.
Since it's a rapid fire, yeah. That's the reason you need to. It's a rapid fire round. It will be, the question will be displayed. Whichever team raises the hand first gets the option to answer first.
Okay.
If any team has raised the hand first and not able to answer, no negative markings. Okay. Sorry for being on mute for some time. What we'll do is, since it's a rapid fire round, and what we'll do is, as soon as I finish my question, I will immediately announce that your time starts now. So that will give you a little breather so you can raise your hands up immediately. All right.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
are we good? If you have understood your rules, can you please send a confirmation by saying a yes in your chat?
In case the hand is raised before you say your time starts, then.
Sorry, can you get back again? I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
I'm saying if somebody raises the hand before you say that your time starts now, so that team will get the chance, right?
No, actually, that's what you need to wait for me to complete the question, and you need to wait till your time starts now. The minute I say the word now, you can raise your hand up. If the team raises the hand even before I say the statement, you raise your hand, and if you do not know the answer, then you will not get the points.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so I have an update from my technical team as well. So what we will do is we will also, to be fair enough with the entire final round, what we'll do is we'll also display the list of the hands. So even you will be able to see that which person from which team has raised the hand first. Fair enough?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so are we good to go now?
Yes.
Lovely. Okay, your first question for both the teams is a sign, I'm sorry, A signs his own name to a bill of exchange, intending that it may be believed that the bill was drawn by another person on the same name. I'll repeat, A signs his own name to a bill of exchange, intending that it may be believed that the bill was drawn by another person of the same name. Your time starts now.
RBI Governor.
Can you please repeat your answer again? I know that you said it first. I think VTQ01 is
Yes.
answer. Yes, can you repeat your answer, please?
Is it RBI Governor?
I'm afraid your answer is incorrect.
I'm very sorry to interrupt, but I raised my hand first. So can I answer?
Yes, we can take her answer, right?
Just give me 1 second.
Yes, yes.
Hello, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so VTQ, I think your team member who has said the answer. Hello. Hello.
Yes, that's fine. Then we can go ahead.
Okay, can we proceed to the next question, please?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Okay. Your second question for today to both the teams is a declaration of forfeiture under section 95 of CRPC.
I am unable to hear you, ma'am.
I think VTQ01, I think your team member is having a network issue.
Yes, ma'am. Can you please repeat the question, please?
No, I haven't finished my question. So you will have to wait for me to complete the question. I've just started it.
Okay, okay, sorry, sorry.
Please check your internet connection. As it was mentioned on the first day, you need to make sure your network connectivity is fine, because I think everyone else is able to hear me well and clear. Okay, I'm really sorry for the interruption. Your second question is a declaration of forfeiture under section 95 of CRPC can be set aside by, I'll repeat, a declaration of forfeiture under section 95 of CRPC can be set aside by. Your time starts now.
High Court.
High Court.
Their answer is correct. Yeah, so I think VT Q04, I think when I did not complete my statement, that time you had raised your hand. So be careful if you're raising your hand, if you're very sure of the answer. Because if,
Okay.
yeah, okay. Let's go to the next question. The study of crime, criminals, and the criminal law is of ancient origin. Although the development of criminology as a descriptive took place in the 1900s, was the first textbooks in the field published in 1920s. For the community at large, it is important to recognize that criminal science is a large thing than science as the sole means for intelligent and systematic improvement of the criminal law. Most of the early teachers of criminology and related subjects were educated in sociology, psychology, political science, or some other related discipline, or were practitioners in various fields of criminal justice. Now, this essay argues which is a larger science. I'll repeat the question one more time. The study of crime, criminals, and the criminal law is of ancient origin, although the development of criminology as a descriptive took place in the 1900s, with the first textbooks in the field published in 1920s. For the community at large, it is important to recognize that criminal science is a large thing than science as a whole, as the sole means for intelligence and systematic improvement of the criminal law. Most of the early teachers of criminology and related subjects were educated in sociology, psychology, political science, or some other related discipline, or were practitioners in various fields of criminal justice. The above essay argues which is a larger science. Your time starts now.
Criminology.
Your answer is correct. Your next question to both the teams. In cases of assault causing reasonable apprehension of death or grievous hurt, the right of private defense extends voluntarily. I repeat, in cases of assault causing reasonable apprehension of death or of grievous hurt, the right of private defense extends voluntarily. Your time starts now.
Reasonable apprehension of danger.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect answer. The next question. Indira Swane versus Union of India is a case popularly known as, I repeat, Indira Swane versus Union of India is a case popularly known as. Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ04 has raised hands first.
Reservation not provided in promotion.
Can you repeat that again?
Reservation not provided in promotion.
I'm afraid your answer is incorrect. VTQ01, can you answer that?
Is it right of privacy?
I'm sorry, the answer is incorrect.
Ma'am, I know the correct answer. Can I answer on my behalf of my team?
So we will surely discuss that after the quiz ends. even if you answer the question, even if you give the right answer, we will not consider that.
Okay. I mean, the
Because-
answer is Mandal Commission case.
Yes, that's correct. That's the right answer, but none of the teams will get the point for this question. Okay. Okay. Your next question to both the teams are. Can you lower your hand? VTQ04. Yeah. Yeah. So fair enough. No one gets the point for the previous question, even though if it is answered now. Your next question is, the idea for tactic command was by Professor L.A. Hart. I'll repeat. The idea of tactic command was by Professor L.H.A. Hart. Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ04.
Hart's concept of law and justice.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. Next question to both the teams. Where the cabin nama is silent on the question whether the dower is to be prompt or deferred, then according to Hanafi law. I'll repeat. Where the cabin nama is silent on the question whether the dower is to be prompt or deferred, then according to Hanafi law. The time starts now. The time is up. Next question. Your next question is, what is the legal status of secularism enshrined in the Constitution? I'll repeat. What is the legal status of secularism enshrined in the Constitution? Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ01.
It's mentioned in the preamble.
I'm sorry, can you be a little loud?
It's mentioned in the preamble.
I'm afraid the answer is not matching to what we have.
Ma'am, preamble to the Constitution.
No, I'm afraid that is also an incorrect answer. Your next question, please lower your hands. Your next question is, once again, a small reminder to the participants, please do not raise your hands till the time I finish completing the statement that your time starts now. The next question is, under Sales of Goods Act 1930, which of the following is not documented of the title of goods? I'll repeat. Under Sales of Goods Act 1930, which of the following is not document of title? Bill of lading, bill of exchange, dock warrant, and railway receipt. Bill of lading, bill of exchange, dock warrant, and railway receipt. VT0, VTQ04.
Ma'am, this time you didn't say your time starts now. That's why we did. It took time to raise a hand.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Just 1 second. Participants, just give me one moment. I think I'm having some technical issues. Just give me 1 minute, please.
What do you think?
Hello team, participants, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We really apologize. We really apologize for the inconvenience caused to you all. We'll make sure that the time is extended for the time lost right now by you all. So I think the last question we were doing is question number 7.
Yes, ma'am. The Sales of Goods Act.
Yes. So because we have lost time and it was the issue from our side, I think we are going to give 10 marks to each of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. I hope that's okay with both the teams.
Yes, ma'am.
VTQ1.
Fine.
Thank you. So your question number 8 is ambient air quality standard in respect of noise in silent zone during the night is. I'll repeat. Ambient air quality standard in respect of noise in silent zone during the night is. Your time starts now. I think it was VTQ01 who raises hands first.
Is it
Yes,
20 decibels?
can you answer, please?
Is it 20 decibels?
Sorry?
20 decibels?
Oh, no, I'm afraid that's incorrect. VTQ04, what's the answer?
In respect of industrial zone, it should be 70 decibel. In respect of commercial zone, it should be 50 decibel.
I'm sorry, both the answer is incorrect.
Okay.
Okay. The next question is, under which article was the Finance Commission of India established? I'll repeat. Under which article was the Finance Commission of India established? Your time starts now.
$280, ma'am. Article 280. Article 280.
Article?
280.
Yes.
I'm afraid that's an incorrect answer. BTQ01, would you like to answer that?
How?
I'm sorry. One second. I apologize. Your answer is correct. It's 280.
Thank you, ma'am.
VTQ01, can you please lower your hand? I think she's trying to say something, but I'm not able to hear.
Ma'am, so we'll get the mark for that question, right? We had answered, VTQ04 had answered it correctly.
Yes, that's correct. VTQ01, can you please switch on your camera and lower your hand as well? I think she's having some technical issues because. Okay, now I can see you. Yeah. Your next question is, which article gives power to the governor to take additional charge of 2 or more states? I'll repeat. Which article gives power to the governor to take additional charge of 2 or more states? Your time starts now. BTQ04, please do not raise your hand before I say the statement. Your time starts now. Humble request.
Ma'am, can VTQ04 answer the question?
Yes, please.
May I?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Article
yes.
3.
I'm sorry.
Article 153.
That is a
153.
correct answer. That's a correct answer. Your next question to, please lower your hands. Yeah. Your next question to both the teams. Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 will amend. Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 will amend. Your time starts now. I think it was VTQ01 who raised his hand first. Can you please answer?
It amends Citizenship Act 1965.
Can you be a little loud because I'm not able to hear you?
It amends the Act, Citizenship Act 1965.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. VTQ04, can you please answer that?
It will amend Citizenship Act 1955.
That is correct. Okay, your next question is Articles 301 to 307 deals with which issue? Articles 301 to 307 deals with which issue? Your time starts now.
May I? Yes.
I think it
Yes,
is
yes.
VT4. Raise the hand first. Yes, VT4.
301 to 307 deals with the freedom of trade, commerce, and intercourse.
The answer is correct. Please lower your hands. Thank you. Your next question is, which state is the first state to enact a law on contract farming? I repeat, which state is the first state to enact a law on contract farming? Your time starts now. I think VTQ01 has raised the hand first. Can you please answer?
Tamil Nadu.
That is correct. Your next question to both the teams. A citizen can directly move the Supreme Court for any violation of fundamental rights under, I'll repeat, a citizen can directly move to Supreme Court for any violation under fundamental rights under, your time starts now.
Article 32.
Zero 04, you have raised your hand first.
Yes, and I answered the question. Article 32.
If 2.
That is the correct answer, but next time I will not take it because I did not tell you to answer.
Okay,
Fair enough?
fair enough.
Thank you. Okay, please lower your hand. Okay. Your next question is, the union has no power to make a proclamation.
Ma'am, you are not
of
audible.
financial.
You are not audible.
Now?
Yes, now you're audible. Like the first line was very blurred. Like couldn't hear only both of us.
Okay. Everyone else, can you just put a thumbs up if you're able to hear me loud and clear? Thank you for the heart. I take that as a confirmation. Can you please lower it now?
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, no issues. Okay. Your question is, which article stipulates that the union has no power to make a proclamation of financial emergency with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. I'll repeat, which article stipulates that the union has no power to make a proclamation of financial emergency with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Your time starts now. VTQ01, I would give you a chance to raise your hand to answer first, because I think before I completing the question, VTQ04 had raised hand.
Article
VTQ01,
370.
thank you. The answer is correct.
Ma'am,
VTQ4, I hope I'm fair enough, because I think I did not complete the question and you raised your hand before that.
ma'am,
Yes.
but before 2 days before in the first meeting, we have told that from your side, if you raise your hand, the question will not be completed and then you will give answer.
No, I had clearly mentioned that the moment I will say that, the statement that your time starts now, you need to raise your hand.
Okay, ma'am, we'll keep this in mind the next time. In the next
Okay.
from the next question.
I hope I'm fair enough, everyone.
Yes,
Please
yes.
correct me if I'm wrong
Yes,
anywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
You have every right to correct me if I'm wrong. Can you please lower your hand, VTQ04? I understand it's interesting and it's lovely to have a quiz, but we need to be fair enough to everyone. All right? Next question. Which amendment made it mandatory for the president to give his assent to the constitution amendments bills? I'll repeat. Which amendments made it mandatory for the president to give his assent to the constitution amendment bills? Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ04. Your answer is?
24.
He's saying 24th Amendment.
That's correct. That's the right answer. Your next question is, which article of the Indian Constitution states that the law declared by Supreme Court is to be binding on all courts within the territory of India? I'll repeat the question. Which article of Indian Constitution states that the law declared by Supreme Court is to be binding on all courts within the territory of India? Your time starts now.
Article 141.
That is correct. Your next question. Which article is related to abolition of untouchability? I'll repeat. Which article is related with abolition of untouchability? Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ04.
Jit, would you like to answer?
You answer.
Article 17.
That is correct. Please lower your hands. Thank you. Your next question. When right to information came into force in India, when Right to Information Act came force in India? Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ01.
2005.
Would you be able to tell the day as well? The answer is correct.
Ma'am, I can't tell the day.
Yes, ma'am.
You can say the answer, but I'm afraid I wouldn't be able to give you points. Will that be okay?
Yeah, that will be okay. It commenced on 12th of October 2005, and later in 2005 it was given consent to.
Fantastic. That's the right answer. I'm afraid, but I wouldn't be able to give you the points. The point would go to VTQ01. Thank you so much for your kind cooperation, all of you, and being fair enough with me. Okay, your next question is, Article 44 is related to, I'll repeat, Article 44 is related to, your time starts now. Yes, 04.
Uniform Civil Code, UCC.
Yes, that's the correct answer. Okay, your next question is, which act is associated with courts can interpret the rules and regulations? I'll repeat, which act is associated with courts can interpret the rules and regulations? Your time starts now.
It's India Act 1784.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. VTQ01, would you like to answer that? VTQ04,
No, ma'am.
your team wants to answer. You still raise your hand. Okay. Can you please lower your hand?
Saurabh, lower your hand.
Okay. Your next question. Which article is related to equal justice and free legal aid? I'll repeat. Which article is related to equal justice and free legal aid? Your time starts now.
Article 39A of the Indian Constitution.
Yes, that is correct. And you have said it again. You have to wait till I say that, which team has raised the hand first.
Can you check, ma'am, who raised the hand first?
No, but we are having a technical, I have three technical team members sitting over here who is keeping a track on the raise of hands. It is displayed on your screen as well. And you have the timer as well. Okay, your next question. Under which act the councils were having a power to discuss the budget and addressing questions to the executive? I'll repeat, under which act the councils were having a power to discuss the budget and addressing questions to the executive? Your time starts now. I think it is VTQ01.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Indian Council Act 1890.
Raise
Can
the
you
hand.
really? I'm not able to hear you.
She raised the
Indian
hand.
Council Act 1892.
Can you repeat that again? I'm sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
Okay, no problem. Indian Council Act 1892.
I'm sorry, that's an incorrect answer. VTQ04, would you like to answer that?
We also had the same answer for that.
Yeah.
I'm afraid that's an incorrect answer. Okay. Please lower your hands, all of you. Okay. Your next question is, who settles dispute in the election of president in India? I'll repeat, who settles the disputes in the election of president in India? Your time starts now. I think VTQ04 raised his hand first.
May
Yes.
I?
Yes,
Supreme
please.
Court.
Yes.
Supreme Court.
And that is the correct answer. Your next question is, which one of the following articles deals with the appointments of judges of the high courts? I'll repeat, which article deals with the appointment of judges of the high courts? Your time starts now.
Article 2.
1 second, 1 second. Hold on. You've not raised your hand and you said it out of turn. VTQ01 has raised her hand first. Can she please answer?
Article 217 of Indian Constitution.
That is correct. I'm sorry, my friend. I think you said
Yeah,
out of
yeah,
turn. and your hand was
I forgot to raise the hand.
That's okay. But anyways, she had raised her hand first. Okay. Ready for the next? Your next question to both the teams is which of the following is the guardian of fundamental right? I repeat, which one is the guardian of the fundamental rights? Your time starts now. I think VTQ04 raised hand first.
Would you like to give answer?
You give.
Supreme Court.
I'm afraid that's an incorrect answer. VTQ01, would you like to try?
I had the same
The
answer.
same answer. Supreme.
Fundamental rights. Guardian of fundamental rights. Supreme Court.
Judicial system.
Who said that? Yes, that is the right answer.
VTQ01. VTQ01.
1 second.
But you can't give them the
I
marks.
can't give the points. Yes, I will be fair enough to all of you. I will not be able to give you the marks, my friend, because your member has already given the answer, which was an incorrect one. I hope I'm fair enough to all. Yes?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. Next question to both the teams. Who decides whether a bill of money, who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? I'll repeat. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Your time starts now. I think VTQ04 has raised hand first.
Saurabh, unmute.
Yeah, yes.
I think president.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. VTQ01, would you like to answer that?
RBI.
Sorry?
RBI, Reserve Bank of India.
I'm afraid that answer is incorrect too.
Is it Lok Sabha?
Sorry?
Lok Sabha?
No, that answer, you are halfly correct. But I'm afraid the point was
Speaker
still not.
of the Lok Sabha is the correct answer for
Yes,
that.
ma'am. No worries.
Yes. You guys will have to relax a little and then, I think both the teams give partial answers. But I'm sorry because your team members have already given an incorrect answer earlier. So I'll be fair enough by not giving the points to both.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yes, but the answer was correct of what you just said. VTQ01, yeah, can you please lower your hand?
Ma'am, can you tell us like which question is this, like which question number is this going on, like because
Yes. Right now we have finished 28 questions.
okay, ma'am.
We have completed 28 questions. With your kind permission, can I take a 10 seconds break?
Sure, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. No problem.
So,
Hello, am I audible enough to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Thank you, and extremely
Yes, yes.
sorry to keep you all on waiting. VTQ01, can you please put your camera on? Yes, thank you. So now we will start with the question number 28. Okay. Your question is, assessee is having stock existing in the business. Valuation of stock will be at. I'll repeat. Assessee is having stock existing in the business. Valuation of stock will be at. Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ04.
Cost or market price, whichever is less.
That's a correct answer. Your next question is, every share in a company having a share capital shall be distinguished by its. I'll repeat, every share in a company having a share capital shall be distinguished by its. Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ04.
Distinguished number, a distinctive number.
The answer is correct. Your next question to both the teams. Primary deviance is a core concept associated with which theory of deviance? I'll repeat. Primary deviance is the core concept associated with which theory of deviance? Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ04.
Social learning theory.
I'm sorry.
Social learning theory.
I'm sorry, the answer is incorrect. Okay. The next question, question number 31. The Indian Independence Act 1947 came into effect on. I'll repeat. The Indian Independence Act 1947 came into effect on. Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ04.
Or unmute.
You're on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer. You have raised your hand now.
June 1946.
Sorry?
1946.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. Anybody knows the answer who wants to give? Okay, next question. The President's rule under Article 356 remains valid in the state for the maximum period of. I'll repeat. The President's rule under Article 356 remains valid in the state for the maximum period of. Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ01.
6 months.
That is correct. The next question to both the teams. When statute does not profess to make any alteration in the existing law, but merely declare or explain what it is, then such a law is known as. I'll repeat. When statute do not profess to make any alteration in the existing law, but merely declare or explain what it is, then such law is known as. Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ01.
Principles of interpretation.
I'm sorry, your voice is breaking.
Principles of interpretation.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. VTQ04, would you like to answer that?
Declaratory statute. Declaratory statute.
Yes, the answer is correct. Okay, your next question is, words may be given a second meaning if applying the literal leads to absurdity.
Ma'am, your voice broke in between.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. Under the dash rule, the words may be given a secondary meaning if applying the literal leads to absurdity. The time starts now. Yes, VTQ01.
Absent contrary.
Sorry. I'm not able to hear you.
Absent contrary. Plain meaning rule.
No, I'm afraid the answer is incorrect.
Golden rule.
Yes, that is the correct answer, but you wouldn't be getting any marks.
Why?
Because I had not raised
Time
my
is up.
and the time is up. Yeah. 2
Yes,
reasons.
that's right. According to the Indian Constitution Treaty, making power is conferred upon. I'll repeat. According to the Indian Constitution Treaty, making power is conferred upon. Your time starts now. I think VTQ04 has raised hand. Yes, VTQ04.
Power conferred upon the parliament.
Can you elaborate a little more?
No, ma'am. Jeet, would elaborate this question, this answer?
Basically, the power is conferred upon the parliament with regards to this particular question, and therefore he has answered the dash that it is upon the parliament. We do not know the elaboration of the same, but we do know that it is the parliament.
Yeah.
Okay, that is a correct answer. Okay, can you lower your hand, BTQ? Yeah, thank you. Okay, the powers of the President of India are, I'll repeat, the powers of the President of India are, your time starts now. Yes, VTQ01.
To promulgate ordinances.
Sorry, can you be a little loud?
To promulgate ordinances.
Can you elaborate a little more?
President can pass ordinances when the parliament is not in session or under in emergencies.
Okay. BTQ04, can you answer that?
Ma'am, power of the president, we can say, he is the supreme commander of Indian Armed Forces, and he is also the executive head of the state.
I'm afraid both of you all are, the answer is incorrect actually. It's partially correct, partially incorrect. So both the teams wouldn't get any marks. Okay, your next question is, just 1 second. Your next question is, the Government of India Act 1935 wasted the residuary power in the, I'll repeat, the Government of India Act 1935 wasted the residuary power in the, your time starts now. I think VTQ01 has raised his hand.
Constituent Assembly.
I'm afraid that's an incorrect answer. Yes, VTQ04.
Governor General.
That is a correct answer. Okay, the next question. I think this is question number 38. In case if you want to know which question is going on, it's question number 38 right now. Who introduced the dual government system in Bengal? Who introduced the dual government system in Bengal? Your time starts now. VTQ04.
Would you like to answer?
You answer.
Sure.
If you're not sure, then I'll answer. It is Lord Curzon.
Lord Curzon, yeah.
Sorry?
Lord Curzon.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect.
What?
Yes, the answer is incorrect. Yes, VTQ01.
Robert Clive.
That is a correct answer.
Is the answer? Please repeat.
It's Robert Clive. That's what
Robert.
she said.
Okay.
Yes. Please lower your hand. Okay. Your next question. The 118th Constitution Amendment Bill 2012 is related to, I'll repeat, the 118th Constitutional Amendment Bill 2012 is related to, your time starts now. Yes, VTQ04.
Jeet,
Go ahead.
sure, no?
Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. This is the 118 Amendment Bill, deals with the insert Article 371J in the Constitution to empower the Governor of Karnataka to take steps to develop the Hyderabad and
That is the correct answer. Yes, that is the correct answer. Thank you. Okay. Your next question is, the scheme of Morley Minto constitutional reforms came into effect through, I'll repeat, the scheme of Morley Minto constitutional reforms came into effect through, your time starts now. Yes, VTQ01.
The Indian Council Act 1909 by the British Parliament.
Yes, that is the correct answer. Now the next, we have completed with 40 questions to both the teams. We are left with last 10 questions. We will start with the 41 question right now. Article 39A of the Constitution of India deals with, I repeat, Article 39A of the Constitution of India deals with, your time starts now.
Providing free legal aid.
04, I think you have raised your hand first.
Yeah, providing free legal aid.
Yes, that's the right answer. VTQ01, can you please switch on your camera? Thank you. Yes. Your next question. The chairman and members of the UPC are appointed by the chairman and members of the UPSC are appointed by? Your time starts now. VTQ01, I think you've raised your hand first. Can you answer? VTQ01.
The President of India.
That's the right answer. Can you please all lower your hands? Okay, your next question is, the oath is administered to the President of India by? The oath is administered to the President of India by? Your time starts now. I think it was VTQ04 who raised his hand first. Yes, VTQ04.
The Chief Justice of India or CJI?
That is correct. Okay, your next question is, the special provisions to finance bills is provided under the Article of India in? I'll repeat. The special provisions to financial bills is provided under the Constitution of India in? Your time starts now. Yes, VTQ01. You raise your hand first.
The financial bills.
Yes, is provided under which?
207, special provision of financial bills. 207.
Can you repeat?
207, special provision as financial bills, a bill which is enacted about by impression in consolidated fund by state.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. VTQ04, would you like to answer?
117, 117, Article 117.
Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay. 5 questions to go. We are on the 45th question right now. Suspension of provisions of Article 19 during emergency is dealt in. I'll repeat. Suspension of provisions of Article 19 during emergency is dealt in. Your time starts now. I think VTQ04, you have raised your hand. Can you please answer?
The 44th Amendment Act.
Can you tell the what is the article? We're looking out for the answer, which is what is the article?
358.
That is correct. Okay. Your next question is, provisions as to the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes are in. I'll repeat. Provisions as to administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes are in. Your time starts now. I think VTQ01, you've raised your hand first. Can you please answer?
Article 244.
No, that's not the answer that we're looking out for. I'm afraid that's incorrect. VTQ04, can you answer that?
It's in the Schedule 5th of the Constitution. Schedule 5th.
Yes, that's correct. Yes, that's the right answer. Your next question is, which of the following amendment occurred in precedence to directive principles to fundamental rights? I'll repeat. Which of the following amendment accorded precedence to directive principles to fundamental rights? Your time starts now. VTQ01, can you please switch on your camera? Thank you. Yes, VTQ04, I think you raised your hand.
42nd Amendment.
Yes, that's the right answer. Okay. Your next question is, presidential satisfaction for imposing precedent rule is, I'll repeat, presidential satisfaction for imposing precedent rule is. The time starts. VTQ04, I think you raised your hand.
Subject to judicial review.
That's the right answer. We have completed 48 questions of the round. We are left with 2 more questions now. Your next question is, please hear carefully. The current Lokpal bill was introduced under, I'll repeat, the current Lokpal bill was introduced under, your time starts now. I think VTQ04, you've raised your hand first. Can you please answer?
लोकपाल एंड लोकायुक्त एक्ट 2013.
I'm sorry, can you be a little loud?
लोकपाल एंड लोकायुक्त एक्ट 2013.
We are looking out for, that's not the answer that we are looking out for.
The Article 252 of the Indian Constitution.
Can you please repeat that one more time?
Article 252 of the Indian Constitution.
It's deal with
I'm
the
sorry. That's an incorrect answer. You're very close, but it is incorrect. Thank you so much. Can you lower your hand, please? And this is the last question for this round. I'll repeat. I'm sorry. The last question number 50 for the last final round is, the legislature of a state may impose restriction on trade, commerce, and intercourse under. The legislation of a state may impose restrictions on trade, commerce, and intercourse under. The time starts now. I think VTQ01 has raised his hand first.
Article 302.
That is correct. Yes, I think we are done for the entire round. Both the teams were very, very nice. Thank you so much. It was awesome. And thanking you so much from HVPS for taking part into this competition. It was really fun. I hope all of you enjoyed all the 3 rounds.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It was a great pleasure to participate in this competition, and it was a really an exciting 3 days.
Thank you so much. All the best to both the teams. Wishing you both luck. And the results, as mentioned, will be declared and announced in the main Zoom link. So all the best to you. And you both did a fabulous job. It was really nice talking to all of you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you. It
Thank
was
you,
nice
ma'am.
to talk to you.
Yes, same here. Please watch the YouTube live.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes,
Thank
Sure,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you. All the best for your future endeavors. Bye-bye for
Thank you,
now.
ma'am. Thank you.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
ma'am. Bye.
Bye.